You ready to go wheeling? Yeah? Are you ready to go wheeling? Uh-huh. Yeah. We're all ready to go wheeling. Hey. It's time to get up and go wheeling. Are you ready to go wheeling today?
Am I ready?
Yes.
No.
Okay. But are you ready for wheeling today? Yes. Alright everybody, we are headed out. Just wheeling a little bit today, not anywhere specific. We're gonna check out this place called Hotel California. Seemed pretty cool from the last time that Carla went with the kids. I haven't been there yet. And we're gonna check out Turkey Bay and see if it's crowded. It is Memorial Day weekend still, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. all our drone footage is gone. The drone tried to return to home because it lost signal briefly, and it returned to the forest. And it is forevermore in the top of a tree canopy somewhere. So, yeah. You know, maybe during the fall we'll come out and say hi to it and see how it's doing. Now we're heading to Hotel California. I've never been here before.
This is regular Anthony. Not I'm recording it.
This is my documentary voice.
I know, I just want normal you. You're the puppy. Yeah, the family that I asked if they saw me. They were kind of like wandering around. I was like, you get better here? And they're like, no, just follow the paper.
Oh.
Yeah, this is it. Art before the paper was
I know.
Here, let me go this way. Oh, here's the stairs.
what happened to this place?
Oh, she was asking me. It says go back or else.
It's funny.
Is that you behind me?
Yeah. Watch out. Ooh, it's so cool. Literally. Oh, hi.
Now you're on the second floor. Yeah.
Having just said that's Disney. Just come over here with me.
Okay.
Oh, the little hidey hole.
Yeah.
But hey, it's darker than it was the other time, so just make sure you check it for snakes.
Boo.
Now you go through.
Oh, there's a wall.
Oh, slow down, baby.
See, if your sister can go through it, you can too.
Way bigger.
Recording, so just walk around and you can look at stuff. Just stay where we can see.
Wait, Levi, come over here. Stay where nobody can see you.
You can talk to me.
There. Stay right there.
Where? Can you help me take a picture for mommy? Yeah. Hold my hand. Wow, gorgeous. Thank you. You're welcome. I took a bunch.
Okay, you go ahead, buddy.
I have the camera.
Good job.
Thank you. The ceiling's so high and low.
Okay. Oh, okay, Levi. You want to go on the roof? You gotta climb.
There's a hole. There's a hole right there, Mom.
All right,
Good job,
you're going up.
You're gonna have to help her, Andy. It's not easy.
Okay.
Because down is really hard.
You don't have to be scared.
Are you just handing her up, or is she climbing?
Yep, put your foot in the hole.
Yes.
There you go. Levi, I'm just gonna throw you up there, okay? Okay. Ready? Just kidding. He said no. Put your foot there. There you go.
Give him to Dad, honey. We made it up. Come this way. Let's see if you can come up.
Ow.
What are you doing? Climb.
I tried.
She's being weak.
No, I'm not.
Hi, Lily.
Oh, hey.
Hey, Mommy. I'm not gonna fall off the edge.
These footballs are too small for my big feet.
Mr. Matt climbed this with me last time.
I don't know how to hold on to.
Levi, away from
Please. right hand. Because see, yeah, you need to actually climb. Because if you just dead body weight me,
my other hand.
you're gonna end up pulling me down too. There you go. If I can do it,
Yeah.
the least flexible person in the world.
My arm. Ow. Thank you.
need to. Levi. Come in.
I can't climb. I'm going to sit. Hear me?
Isn't it beautiful?
Hello.
I didn't want the kids to come up, the small ones, because I didn't think anyone was actually going to help me get them down.
Yeah.
So just Matt and I came up.
I'm not letting go.
Let go.
Look at him.
Levi, I'm headed. Levi?
No.
Hey. Leave it, Bubba. Levi! Good job.
Honey, can you move my wheel?
We already did it, baby.
Go down this one because I think this is the other spot that we were at that one time when I got the drone footage of us all sitting down there.
Okay, hopefully, because that would be a perfect little spot again.
Yeah. should be dropping us right into the water.
Oh, hell no. That's exactly what it looks like here.
Oh no, it opens up right here.
What'd you say?
That is a perfect little spot.
Really? Because from here it looks like a dead-ass drop-off.